In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text inside shapes in draw.io. First, head over to the draw.io website and sign in if you haven't already. When you arrive, you'll see your main dashboard. Open the diagram you're working on, or create a new one if you prefer. But for this walkthrough, I'm assuming you already have a board open and ready to go. On my screen, I've got a few shapes placed on the canvas. Adding text to these shapes is straightforward. Start by clicking the shape you want to label so it's selected. Then double-click inside that shape. A text cursor appears right in the center, and you can start typing immediately. For example, I'll double-click the ellipse and type ellipse. This text is now part of the shape, so if you move or resize the shape, the text moves with it. If you need to tweak how it looks, use the formatting options at the top or right panel to change the font, size, color, or alignment so it's clear and readable. You can repeat that exact process with any other shape. I'll click the square, double-click inside, and type square. Again, the text is embedded, which keeps your diagram neat and consistent. There's another way to add text if you prefer working with separate text boxes. Double-click on an empty spot on the canvas, and a new text element appears. Type your label, then drag that text onto the shape where you want it to appear. This is handy if you want very precise positioning or plan to reuse the text. If the default text looks too small, simply increase the font size and adjust the style so it matches the rest of your diagram. You can also add text from the left sidebar. Under the General section, look for the text item. Hover to confirm you've got the right one, then click or drag it onto your board. Place it where you need it. Type your content and drag it over the shape. Just like before, you can fine-tune the font style and size to ensure the label stands out and remains legible. That's all there is to it. You've seen multiple ways to add text inside shapes. Double-click directly in the shape, double-click the canvas to create a text box and move it, or pull a text item from the sidebar. As a friendly tip, the first method is usually the fastest because you can just double-click inside the shape and type. Congratulations! You now know how to label shapes efficiently in draw.io.